Hey Steelers Nation, it's Steelers chat for divisional round playoffs. We got the Baltimore Birdies coming in here on Saturday at 4:30. It's going to be a bloodbath Saturday, Bloody Saturday I'm going to call it. Here's the problem I got. Okay, all the so-called professionals at NFL Network and the ESPN Network, they all think that Baltimore is going to come in here and beat us. It's not going to happen. You're giving people false hope, especially in Baltimore. Let me tell you something, Ravens fan, and you may hate me all you want. You can say, oh, the Steelers suck, the Steelers this, the Steelers. The bottom line is the Steelers are the division champions. The bottom line is we took you to the limits with a fourth-string quarterback. The bottom line is we took you to overtime with pretty much a rookie quarterback last year. Okay? The bottom line is you're coming in and you're facing a 100% healthy, 100% rested Pittsburgh Steelers team. That means our defense is healthy and rested. Our offense is healthy and rested. And guess what? Nobody thought the Chiefs were going to win this game, so they were preparing for this game for 2 weeks now. So pretty much the Steelers had 3 weeks off. You think we played Carolina on Thursday and then a whole week off, and then we beat down Cleveland Browns, which was not even a game, that was an exhibition, and boom, we're completely rested. We're completely rested, game planned up, and you stand no chance. Kansas City Chiefs wore out the offensive line of the Baltimore Ravens. That tells me one thing. The Ravens are tired and they're getting gassed. And the bottom line is this. You're going up against 100% healthy Pittsburgh Steelers D that's going to be all over Flacco. I expect for a couple fumbles. I expect a couple interceptions in this game. And that's pretty much it. And then on the bad side for Baltimore, which I feel bad, Ed Reed may not even be playing because his brother's still missing, which I feel terrible about. You know, prayers and thoughts go out to that family. But when the hell is it, like, okay to say, oh, it's a terrible thing, his brother jumped off, or he was eluding police. He was breaking the law if he was eluding police. It's terrible what happened, but don't pat the guy on the back and say, oh my goodness, he's such a good man, he loves football. Obviously, he broke the law. He was eluding police. Now, it's terrible what happened. To me, I would just, surrender. I would never jump off a bridge. So I feel bad for Ed Reed. He's a hell of a player. And if he doesn't play, then there's no way in hell Baltimore is going to beat us. But they have a very slim chance of beating us right now anyways. You're going up against, I'm going to say it again, I keep repeating myself, 100% healthy Pittsburgh Steelers team, 100% prepared Pittsburgh Steelers team. And we're going up against a worn-out, beat-up Baltimore Ravens team. I don't see how the Ravens are coming into Pittsburgh thinking they're going to win. We're not Kansas City. We're a very veteran team. We've been here, done that before. Big Ben is going to play. Mike Wallace is really developing into a complete receiver. Before he was just a stretcher. He would stretch the field. Now he's learning to run routes. We got the rookie Emmanuel Sanders that catches anything that comes his way. We got Antonio Brown, which is another burner. And you got veteran Hines Ward that will still lay people out. So how are you supposed to come in here and say, oh, we're going to beat them? My prediction is Pittsburgh 24, Baltimore 13. It may be higher than that. I don't see Baltimore putting up more than 13 points on us, if that. 100% healthy Pittsburgh Steelers team. Now we're going to be playing with a chip on our shoulders because all of a sudden we are the underdog for some reason. I don't understand that. But we'll see what goes on this Saturday. But remember, this is going to be smash mouth football. This is not going to be for the faint of heart. If you got a heart condition, do not watch this game. This game is not for you. This is going to be hard-hitting, smash mouth, old-fashioned football. NFL officials, just bring the fine book because people are going to get fined after this game. I guarantee it. We don't like them. They don't like us. We're going to smack each other around, and we're going to take it to them, and we're going to destroy each other. And everybody says after this game's over, whoever wins ain't going to be rested enough to play the Patriots or the Jets. Why say this? Bring it on, Baltimore. Bring it on. And I'm out.